Hey friends, Jana here with J. Marie Designed. I am part of the Katscrappiness creative crew, and today I am excited to be able to introduce to you the Who-Ville stamps and dies set. As you can see, this set is an adorable throwback. It is a set with 9 stamps, from cute little girl to the Christmas tree, the street sign with all the different places, some gifts, and a funky little mailbox, and then a welcome to Whoville sign. Each stamp also has a coordinating die, which makes things easy. Here's the SKUs and the names if you want to look those up. All right, and here they are. Here's my set. It's been used already because I've been stamping and coloring. So there's just a close-up of some of the images, and then there's the dies. It also does have a coordinating paper pack. We're going to use just one sheet out of there. There will be an introduction video on the paper pack as well that you can find on the Cat Scrappiness channel. I'm just going to quickly color in just a couple images. I don't need to sit and color the whole thing as much as I would love to. I've already done that, but you guys don't need to watch me just sit and color. But it is a really fun one to color. You can change up, you can do a muted tone, you could do a really bright tone, but they're really fun images. This one, I didn't do a lot of really any shading or anything. Tried to keep it kind of cartoonish. And so I just went with some solid colors, bright cherry colors. So I've got a few that I've already colored up. I'm just going to add a few of these cute little gifts and things, and then we'll get to making our card. I love this set. I grew up loving these images, these characters. It was just, that was the time, that's when these were popular. So this is a great throwback inspiration to those Christmas shows that we all looked forward to watching. And so I love the way that these dies cut everything out. Cat's dies are always nice and tight. You don't have a really big border. And then I also pulled out the winter scene die set just so that I could use the snowbanks. And I'm going to do a little ink blending along the edges just to kind of set those apart. And so then it matches to the pattern paper that I chose, which is this really pretty light blue polka dot, which looks like snowflakes. So we're just going to get everything glued together. And I'm using some Barely Arts glue, which you can find in the Cat Scrappiness store as well. These are fun. You can do, they would be amazing gift tags as well. I have so many ideas to use with this set. It'll be so fun to keep going with it. So I'm going to add some foam tape and pop up one layer just to give this card some dimension and make it kind of fun. I do add another little element of fun coming up here in a little bit. But this one, the papers are neat. You could really do a lot with the papers in just a simple image, or you can create a whole scene. There's lots of opportunity for design and things as well. Like I said, there are 9 stamps. You have 3 of the little girl, the sign that says welcome, then the street sign, or like the direction sign with the arrows pointing to which way to go, the 2 gifts, the Christmas tree, which is very whimsical, and then the funky little mailbox. So I'm just adding some ink blending around the edge just to kind of set that paper apart, because it's an entire card front, so there won't be any pattern paper or any solid paper, peeking out from behind there. So I'm going to add a little foam tape at the top here just to make it so that it's even since that other layer is popped up. And I'm trying to figure out, do I need 1 or 2? And I go with 2 just to make sure they're level. But this one is fun. It was really fun to color and super quick. It would be great to stamp out, to have, kids color for, cards for parents or cousins or teachers, or, they're just cute images. But also, like I was saying, gift tags, if you do baked goods, things like that, they would make great little product labels to stick on there for your gifts. If you made jellies and jars, or jars of jelly, or even if you did some, cookie plates and things, it would be fun. You could decorate your wrapping paper with it. So there's lots that you could do with all of these that are coming out. But like I said, there is a coordinating paper that's fun, super fun. It's got some patterns as well as some, prints that coordinate. Right here, I was trying to decide if I wanted my little girl to wobble or not, but I decided just to pop her up with some foam tape instead. So here it is. Here's the wobbler. I decided that the little welcome sign, needed to wobble because that seemed fitting. So we're going to get that on there, and I think that's the perfect addition to this card. This release is so fun. Like I said, there's some other coordinating products. You'll have to make sure and check those out as well. All of them will be available on the Katscrappiness website at katscrappiness.com. So make sure you go check those out. Here we go, and a wobble. Who doesn't love a wobbling card? It's so fun. Wobblers make me giggle. So here is my completed card. I just wanted to show you guys the dimension that's there. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.